about to put hip hop fitness non-stop. That's what you listen to at the gym, huh? Pure Cardi B. You're on the elliptical system, right?
YouTube. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I know you guys are like, oh my God, the J's, not the J's. But hey, this represents either one or two things, a transformation or money, which is probably both. But anyways, hold on so you guys could see. I did a transformation, came out clean. You guys will see soon enough. But anyways, over here, coming over here. We got my man George right here, doing a fresh one. As always, nothing new. It's nothing. Right here in the description area, right here. All right, follow George Zepeda. All right.
Follow me.
As I grow, Team Velocity grows. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Stay tuned. So before I actually tell you guys, what guard I'm using to cut it down, my client came in and he showed me a picture of this dude named Kyle, the dude that sings
I spy with my little eye, a girly I can get cause she don't get too many likes.
And I was like, hey, say less. But nah, right now I'm using the one guard open and I'm just taking off some bulk on the sides. The hair is gonna overlap the area in which I'm taking off, so I'm just gonna come behind it with some scissors and cut off the rest of the bulk. After I'm done getting everything clear out of the way, what you want to do is brush everything down. His hair has been long for so long, so you want to get everything to lay down before you actually start setting in your guidelines. Using my Andis Slimline Pro Li, I'm going to set in my first bald line, and I'm going to start in real low, just right behind his ear. I'm going to set that line in right behind his ear because I want to get a long transition of a blend. I don't want a short one, so I'm going to start as low as possible. So right now you just want to bald out the rest at the bottom. I'm using my Andis BGRCs, and these are also some cordless clippers. So I'm just going to use my Braun Series 9s. These are some shavers just to make the bottom razor bald. This adds another transition to your haircut. Now using my Wall cordless seniors with the lever open, I'm going to go up about 1 inch and make sure I'm consistent all the way through. Right now I'm using my Andis 1 guard. Alright, I'm using the Andis 1 guard open. And for those that are like, what? How did you get the Andis guard to fit on a wall clipper? These guards are custom. Shout out to hair artist Matthews on Instagram. He hooked me up with these guards, and you know, they just up my speed. I'm back using the Andis guards instead of those, you know, premium wall guards. I don't like the premium wall guards just on the simple fact that you have to use so many steps. And with the Andis guards, like you see in my older videos, I don't use as many steps as I did with the wall guards. So this is the last guard I'm going to be using. It's the 2 guard open, and I'm running it straight up. So right now I'm using my wall magic clips, and these are modified to be balders. I'm running it straight up, keeping that high top shape, but I'm not going all the way up because I still want some messy hangover at the top. So that's what I'm doing right now. As you guys can see, I'm kind of inching it quite a bit and just going up a little bit, and then you guys will see how the haircut will come out, but he still wants that messy look at the top. So with the 0 guard close in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now this step is probably the longest step besides the next one that you'll have to take, because you're actually using this flick out motion. You're actually being real tedious because it's not setting in a guideline. It's actually getting the middle to blend with the top and the bottom. You know what I mean? So this is probably the longest step that you'll have to take. With the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out the bottom line. Now keep in mind that you're gonna have to adjust your lever as you go up into that lever open area. Now with any haircut, detailing is important. All right, you want to take a step back, look at something else, get your visual you know, right, because you're going to be staring at this haircut for a long time. So you want to have fresh eyes coming back to this haircut. So detailing is key. All right, I'm using my 0 guard. I'm going back with my 1 open, and I'm just, you know, cleaning up the haircut. I'm gonna be pinning up my client's hair in the front. He wants that messy look in the front, so we don't want to cut any of that off. I'm going to pin his hair up, brush the hair down, spray some spritz on it so it will stay put, and begin the lineup process. So I noticed after lining my client up that the corners wasn't blended how I want them to look. So I'm going back over my work and blending them the way it looks more natural. You know, there's a lot of bulk on the corners, so I want to take that off. YouTube, this is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Alright, if you want to know where you can get any tools that you've seen in this video, please check out the link in the description below. Otherwise, shout out to hair artist Matthews for hooking me up with them modified Andis guards. But it's your boy 360 GZ, and I'm out of here.